Hi guys, today's video I will let you know how to feed the Kannur chicks and the feed how it should be. Okay, so what you can see here, this is like a semi liquid, or you say more like a liquid portion in the food. Any of the food formula you can use it, and you need to mix with the warm water, but you need to make sure that the food is not too warm. Also, it should be a little warmer like than the room temperature. Yeah. Now you need to put that into the syringe. Yeah, and make sure there is no air bubble in the syringe. Now as you can see, there are two pineapple red factor Kannur. They are almost self-feeding, so they need one time hand feeding, and rest they are feeding themselves. So for them, you don't really have to care about the feeding time, because they are little elder than the yellow-sided chicks. So I'll show you first how you should feed the elder one. So that's how you need to hold the big and gentle push. Make sure the push is very gently. It can get choked also the throat, so be careful about that. Now I'll show you the yellow-sided Kannur, which is the younger one. It's just like 15 days old, how you have to feed them. Yeah, and you make sure once you feed them, you should wipe their beaks so that the food is not stuck in their mouth. That may cause an infection. Hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching the video.